Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in outdoor cooking equipment. Today, we are diving into the Stanbroil 28-inch premium built-in liquid propane griddle for outdoor kitchen grill. If you're looking to level up your grilling experience, this could be the perfect addition to your barbecue island. Let's take a closer look. The Stanbroil 28-inch premium griddle is constructed from high-quality 304 stainless steel, which means it's built to last, resisting corrosion and rust over time. This makes it not only a reliable option for your outdoor kitchen but also a sleek, modern feature for your backyard. It's designed to be both durable and stylish, making it a great choice for anyone who wants to create a professional-grade outdoor kitchen. When it comes to cooking, this griddle delivers. With two H-shaped steel tube burners providing a total of 34,000 BTUs, it offers even heat distribution across its 412 square-inch cooking surface. Whether you're cooking pancakes, burgers, or sizzling fajitas, the high heat output ensures that your food cooks evenly and quickly. The independent burners also allow you to control the temperature in different cooking zones, so you can cook multiple items at once without worrying about temperature control. One of the standout features of this griddle is its versatility. The flat top design retains the juices in your food, making it perfect for grilling juicy burgers, crispy bacon, or even breakfast items like hash browns and eggs. And cleaning it up after use is a breeze. The upgraded drip tray makes cleanup effortless, and the weather-resistant lid protects the griddle from the elements, keeping it in top condition all year round. The griddle runs on liquid propane, but don't worry if you're using natural gas. Stanbroil provides a conversion kit for that. The griddle's design includes ventilation holes that improve airflow, giving you better heat distribution and helping the burners operate more efficiently. It's also worth noting the sturdy, heavy-duty construction, which means this griddle can handle regular use and still keep performing at its best. In addition to its impressive features, the Stanbroil 28-inch griddle fits perfectly into your outdoor kitchen setup. It's part of Stanbroil's range of outdoor kitchen equipment, and you can pair it with other items from the brand, like side burners, to complete your grilling station. The griddle's size and design make it an excellent addition to any barbecue island. To wrap it up, the Stanbroil 28-inch premium built-in liquid propane griddle is the ideal choice for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor cooking game. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or just starting out, this griddle gives you the flexibility, power, and convenience you need for every cookout. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in more reviews like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from Product Critique.